MEERAPFEL family still operates the oldest business in the tobacco and premium cigar industry. An unrivaled legacy spanning 400 years and 11 generations of tradition and excellence. Involved with the most mystical personalities and icons of this world, the MEERAPFEL family has contributed to this magnificent industry over the centuries. And here we are today, sharing and enjoying the Uber Luxury. The Uber Luxury, a new segment in the premium cigar industry, recently created by the MEERAPFEL family to honor and pay tribute and respect to the family history. My name is Reinhard. I'm the Vice President of MEERAPFEL Cigar, and today we get to share and enjoy one of these incredible masterpieces. The Meir Master Blend, named after Meir MEERAPFEL, who started the first MEERAPFEL factory in the late 1800s and incorporated a family business as it still stands today. He was the inspiration for this particular Master Blend. And here we can see our pyramid vitola in this particular Master Blend, dressed in a vintage Cameroon wrapper with incredible nuances, details, and all these intricacies that make for the Uber Luxury experience. Every single element that makes for the overall cigar experience has been deconstructed and taken to a whole new level of the extreme by either reinventing it or pushing the limits and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Like the cigar ring that took 4 years in development with a patented technology from aeronautics in order to create what resembles Belgian lace. So as you can see, all these details are a reference to history, to Belgium, where the family is still to this very day and calls home. And this is a magnificent experience that we get to share and enjoy with the most discerning aficionados. Because every MEERAPFEL cigar gives us the unique opportunity and the privilege to make other people participate and partake in the family history, sharing and enjoying the Uber Luxury. MEERAPFEL Cigar, limited to 613 wooden chests globally per year, is only available through a small group of hand-selected retail partners all around the world. Corona Cigar is one of them. A long-standing tradition and history and legacy based on utmost quality of service and hospitality. Corona Cigar is one of the most respected and treasured retailers here in the United States. We're proud, we're delighted and very grateful to be working with Jeff Warshowitz and his team here at Corona to share and present the Uber Luxury in the premium cigar world, MEERAPFEL Cigar.